Sanibona kwi-channel. Umuntu kade agcina uku-upload-a noma ukuphosta. Umuntu kade agcina uku-upload-a. I think sesiphelile isikhashana sesiphelile isikhashana. Kunezinto umuntu akade ayihlanganisa noma azama ukuyihlanganisa. Impilo-ke for indoda ayikakaze ibe lula nhlobo, ayikakaze ibe lula nhlobo. Umuntu ubhekana nezinto ey'ningi, ubhekana nezinto ey'ningi. Ngithi eyendoda impilo ayikaze ibe lula ngoba uma uyindoda yonke into kumele ibhekane nawe, noma engaba khona umuntu ongakhala kuyena, but akufanele in a way ukhale kuyena. Noma engaba khona umuntu ongamfonela uthi ngishaya u-1 2 3, but lokho kubuye kungabukeki kahle ezindoda. And i-nature yethu thina as amajitha, abantu besilisa ukuthi ngizobona ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani la. I-nature yethu nje isho njalo. Kuney'ngane ey'gijima nje la ngemumva, kuney'ngane ey'gijima la ngemuva. I-nature yethu isho njalo ukuthi hhayi, njengensizwa yakuya kwenu uzoyibonela. So umuntu khona izinto abhekene nazo, azame ukuy'tackle-isha ngendlela afisa ukuy'tackle-isha ngayo. Umuntu who has been away from home for ever since 2019, for more than 5 years, umuntu away from home. So mawuzoba away from home uyayibonela. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiseke ngakuchaza lokho la. Uyayibonela isikhathi esiningi mawuzoba away from home. Ukuba away from home kukufundisa ama-responsibilities ngenkani. It's like ayafoswa kuwena yabo. It's like studying for an exam to a point whereby umqondo wakho usu-fried, but because kumele uyobhala kuyakuphoqa ukuthi uqhubeke ufunde. Ngiyakhumbula nje back in varsity, I think it was third year. Ka-third year ngangi-struggle-isha it was not i-social psychology. I think it was i-youth justice. I think it was i-youth justice, yes. Because umuntu wabuye wafunda i-youth justice. I-youth justice was like ilokhu nje ilo kanje iy'ngane, since umuntu wenza i-course eyayidila ney'ngane. So I think I was struggling with i-youth justice, yeah. But ama-exams ethu, I think ayilandelana in a space of 3 days waphinde ubhale futhi. In a space of 3 days waphinde ubhale futhi. Unlike back in first year and second year, wawunikwa like mhlampe a week yabo to study. But ka-third year izinto zaba nzima kakhulu, because I remember this one time kwakufanele ngiyobhala i-social psychology. I think kwakufanele ngibhale i-social psychology. Ngavele nje ngatshela amajitha rest, I was like, yazini bafethu, kufanele ngibhale on a Monday, but on a Saturday ngatshela amajitha ukuthi yazini bafethu, eyi umuntu ubezama ukufunda akufundeki njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi kuhamba kufike to a period whereby umqondo wakho uba fried, or umqondo wakho uba burnt out, noma wena uba burnt out siqu sakho. So I told amajitha yazini bafethu ngeke asini out. So ngikhumbula sasuka eMbilo. Yes, it was second year, not third year. Yeah, it was second year. Sasuka eMbilo siye la ngase-Sea Point. Khona i-building la, I think it's the tallest building lapha ngase-Point. Thina-ke sasithi Seaport because khona i-res yase-duty lapho, because mina I went to duty ngase-Seaport. Ngase-Seaport khona igagasi, opposite kunegagasi, and then la a little bit on your left kwakuneclub eyayilapha. Ngisekhumbula usuku kwakuyini igama. Kwakuneclub eyayilapha, but I remember this one time sinoMbhekeni no-Freedom noNqubeko, we went kuleyo club leyo lapho mina ngangibhala Monday. We went kuleyo club leyo saze saphuma ekuseni ngabo 5 sekuqala ukulokhunju ukuvelile lokhunju ilanga basically sekusa noma sekusile basically sekusile ngoba sathi masiphuma laphana kwakunamaphara akayilindile sithi siyaphuma. I think that was back in 2015 yeah. Mesiphuma laphana kunamaphara ayisilindile laphana siyasaba phela sonke nawo amajita siyasaba because as much as you can be from the township but lokho akuchaza ukuthi if ever you are around Durban kufanele uhambe ukhululeke. You still need to tread carefully. You still need to tread carefully. So mesehla lapho mesiphuma lapho eklabheni nanga amaphara lana kwathiwa show majita nobani nabo. You know how they test you elokhunja eThekwini. Amaphara noma igebengu zakhona like they just want to know first ukuthi where you from yabo because they are aware ukuthi okay lapha ngasePoint kwakunama-res awu-3 angikwazi kukhona yaseMangosuthu okukhona yase-DUT Seaport and iSeaport was huge so it accommodates ama-students amaningi and then the third one was opposite ilokhunja I don't know noma it was i-Baltimore yini but it was opposite iSeaport. It was opposite iSeaport. Iwona u-3 ama-res lawa engangikwazi like in downtown. I'm not saying ukuthi kwakuyiwona wodwa no but iwona engangikwazi mina. So lamaphara lawa they were aware vele ukuthi okay la ithayile kuzoba khona abantu abasuke mhlambe emalokishini akubo bathi bazodedela induku la noma it's gonna be ama-students around so asivele siba-test and then be like sure bafethu nobani and then mina I was like so bathina yabo ngiyaqalaza yabo because kumele ube ready ukubaleka yabo you have to be ready ukubaleka. So mangithi ngiyaqalaza there was a guy behind the guy who was talking to us or speaking to us. Nangithi I was like hey Jeza mevela uJeza athi wena mfethu ithi mina ayisho Jeza ayithini mjitha athi mfethu ngigrand mfethu mina mjitha ayithini athi ma-time lawa mfethu yabo besingaboni ukuthi khona umuntu esimaziyo mina mfethu grand elokishini ngithina angisakwazi lova yabo because phela whenever you speak to amapara yabo in Durban you need to switch up ilokhunja like the lingo ilokhunja ital basically you need to like switch up and then ngiphenduke ihamba still basically so ngangivele ngiphenduke ihamba still I was like hey mjisa ayithini elokishini ngithini yabo ugcine nini yabo so itsotsi ital lethu thina sasikhipha like midway because babekhona abantu ababefaka like the prison total like oh lokhu nje umuntu kababa yabona ithini ngelekejane ngeleke juice yabo iyisebenzi nani for us it was not block yabo eyethu yayingenzansi yabo yayingenzansi njengoba ngisho ngithi umtshitha ayithini elokishini yabo awe awusaveli nelokhunja elokishini usupapruka la around eThekwini ithini mjitha yabo so thina sasikhuluma njalo yabo so that is the only way you could switch up even ama-parabons okay no yazini ilokishi leli yabo so ngabona uJeza laphana so uJeza waselokishini waseMastili we basically grew up with uJeza even though uJeza ubehlala ngenzansi ngakalwezi ulwezi is the guy omngani wami basically that we went to school with safunda nayo 8 9 10 and senza ama-sleepovers sas-cross nighter basically sas-cross nighter kubo lokhunja ulwezi so uJeza ngimazi kanjalo because uJeza is one of Lwezi's neighbors so sakhuluma noJeza mina Jeza ayithini yabo so kunento eyenzakalayo-ke if ever you meet someone ohlala emgaqweni or oyiphara eThekwini owaseyamastili they will always say kuwena hayi no mfethu khona ishere engihlala nayo la ngaseflethini yabo because ngiyakhumbula kahle uJeza wavele waphenduka wakhomba just like a random flat yabo athe mfethu ngihlala laphana ithikeni nami ifunde eMangosuthu yabo I was like how hey mjitha ziyasha yabo even though phela ngibona zahat lo ngikhanda inyondo yabo ngikhanda inyondo but futhi at the same time I cannot say akhada uqamba amanga yabo because phela uhamba namaphara lo mjitha lo and maningi lamapara so I just had to hawe mfethu angcono ngoba ugrand mfethu azohlala laphi mina no mfethu ngihlala le Mbilo mina luckily ngangiyile eMbilo because the last thing I needed ukuthi if ever I was around, the last thing I needed ukuthi elokhu ezongihlupha yabo, elokhu ezongihlupha. So I was like, hayi no mfethu ngidlale lokhu nje mbila, athi hayi no mfethu and then I'm like, how nginika inamba yakho, mind ukuthi I am taking a risk, I am pulling out my phone epoint eduze kwamaphara yabo, and hoping ukuthi ulokhunja ujeza is the ringleader lana yabo, hoping ukuthi ujeza is the ringleader, like hamba ethi inamba yakhe, athi bethi anginayo inamba kodwa ke ubongiqalaza ngihlezi ngala. I was like, hayi no vele ubala nathi sinamouth sigroover labo, athi hayi no yizo ithi hayi yizo mjisa sure. Khumbula kahle mesisuka sibheka le sicrossa yimina uFreedom umbhekeni unqubeke, sicrossa, like the sigh of relief, we were like like we made it cabanga, like we made it because sasiyinombolo laphana nje sasinombolo, they were going to take yonke into ama-belongings ethu and yayingekho into esasingayenza, so we left. So ngikhuluma le story lesi because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi one of the reasons why ngagcina ngi-encounter lento, it's because ngase ngifile ngathi okay umqondo wami usu-fried yabo, usu-fried, i-information ayisangeni yabo, ayisangeni yabo. So going back to lento ade ngisho ukuthi umuntu bengekho la for now, ubengaphosti ama-video because umqondo wakhe has been fried yabo. Ziningi izinto umuntu alokhu nje abhekane nazo, ziningi izinto umuntu abhekane nazo, and recently so njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi I have opted to take a break from dating. I have personally opted uthatha lokho nje i-break. So njengoba ngithatha i-break nje kanjena, there's some kunezinto engizenzayo, kunezinto engifisa ukuyi-achieve by me taking a break. Not ukuthi ngithi I am celibate, khona igama elinjalo nje elesiNgisi elisho umuntu ongayenzi lokho nje i-sex. I'm not saying ukuthi ngikulokhunja ngikuleso sigaba nami ukuthi I'm like I just wanna abstain for isikhathi esithile. No, I've decided to lokhunja to take a break from dating. So-ke for mina, I do not, I am not the type ekwazi ukulokhunja to just have sexual intercourse with the person engamthandi. I used to do lokho before. 2019, 2020, 2021, I used to do leyo nto leyo, but I think after ngashintsha indawo yokuhlala and then I moved here, la engihlala khona manje, and I've been here for like 3 years now, if not 4 years now. So instantly kunento eyavele yashintsha nje yabo, yashintsha to a point whereby and I'm like, okay, because I used to have Tinder. So I used to have Tinder because there's this guy engamitha eRes, uDr. Thusi, uDoctor. So I met uDoctor eRes back then. I think I was in third year lapho because we had a strike eRes ithi yavalwa, and then we moved to iRes le engangisho la ngase, it was opposite Craving. So Triton, I'm not sure noma kwakuyi-Triton yase-DUT. Yeah, because la ngase kunalesibhedlela esilana, like I don't, like I wanna say i-City Hospital, I wanna say lokho, but ngemuva kwaserenki yase-Maritzburg i-KFC khona i-rice yamantombazane ase-DUT lapho. Yo umuntu omdala manje kade eqedana nase-DUT. Khona i-rice lapho, and then there's a private hospital lapho. So whenever you cross umgaqo, le rice engishoyo lapho. So there was this guy uDoctor engambona eRes yabo, and then fast forward 4 years later ngambona elokhunja kuleli-flat ekade ngihlala kulona elokhunja la in town in PNB engangihlala kulona yabo. So this guy, we had a conversation, I was like, hayi no mfethu nginothinta manje. I was like, hawu thinta yabo. I remember kulokhunja uDoctor in third year singaka-strike eRes because sasihlala e-Hilton Court e-DUT. Yeah, bekukhona i-rice, angani noma isakhona yini because I think isakhona because that was a DUT building. So kwakuthiwa i-in-source, it was not an outsource. I-Hilton Court ila ngaseHarbor, ya ila ngaseHabhe ila ngasemtateni. So sahlala eHilton Court. So eHilton Court kwakunelokhunja, kwakune-lab, kwakune-study room, kwakune-game room. So thina we used to chill namajita e-game room. It's when and whereby I met uThokozane, uHeavy Current. Like there were people I was close with, uHeavy Current, uCelempilo, who was my roommate, Umkhize from Richards Bay, Ujele Newcastle, from Newcastle, yeah. Umlu from Emlazi. There was this guy engamqamba ukuthi u-Ernest, yabo, because sasifike dlala isnooker futhi, yabo. uGatsheni was friends with uHeavy because I think babenza electrical engineering bonke. So sasifike dlala isnooker, kufike dlala isnooker, yabo. On Fridays ntambama sasiya nje khona sodlala isnooker ne-table soccer, yabo. So that's how you would meet amajita. So ngiyakhumbula Umlu was always like, hey, khona umjita engihlala naye mfethu, ubhizi ngingengane, uthanda intombi, yabo, uyayishintsha intombi, yabo. And then later I came across this guy engimshoyo, uDoctor. So lo ngagcina sengamfica nala e-P_M_B wangilokhu njalo. Wangitshela ngoTinder back then. Wangitshela ngoTinder, so I had uTinder-ke nami. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi for 3 years, 2019, 2020, ngo-2021, 22, 23, yeah, I think ngangisakwazi ukuthi, yabo, ukuthola umuntu like online to just have ilokhunja sex with umuntu onganawo ama-emotional attachments naye or feelings naye. So angikwazi ukwenza lokho before, but manje angisakwazi, yabo, which is one of the reasons why njengoba ngisho ngithi umuntu usesingile. So ukuba single kwami automatically it's gonna mean ukuthi umuntu is not gonna have sex. Njengoba ngisho ngithi khona izinto engizama ukuzenza. So khona izinto engizama ukuzenza spiritually, self-wise, internally, yabo, khona izinto engilokhu nje engizama ukulokhunja ukuzenza. But recently ngithe ngihamba la. Oh, okay, there was this one time whereby nganginenkinga yemoto. So imoto was mixing amanzi namafutha. So I went downtown ka-AutoGuard to fix the car. So I was stressed because I was like, if ever ngingayikhiphi le mali shuthi imoto yami ngiyikhiphe ngihambe. Yabo, so I was stressed because nginama-emotional attachments towards ilokhunja imoto yami. Why do I have ama-emotional attachment towards imoto yami? It's because looking at the environment I grew up under, and I think ilokhunja it's gonna be a recurring theme out of wonke lamalokhunja la amavidiyo engiwafakayo la, like the environment I grew up under, because njengoba ngijwayele ukusho ngithi i-environment okhule under yona iyakushape-a, like it determines your future you. So looking at the environment I grew up under, I never thought ukuthi I could ever have a car. Ngingakaze ngitshele lokho, yabo, because like the environment I grew up under. Ngichazele-ke environment engikhule ngaphansi kwayo kuma-previous videos. Like based on the environment I grew up under, I've never thought. So I remember this one time I was like, I made a pact with the universe. And then I was like, if ever I could get a job, one day ngiyothengela uma imoto. Even though phela uma ingasekho, ngiyoyidrayiva on her behalf. And then later the universe was like, guy, nansi imoto, yabo. So I had ukuthi ngiyiphathe kahle imoto. I am always careful futhi ekutheni ngigibela bani kuyona imoto. I am very careful ekutheni ngigibela kubona bani imoto. So imoto yami mina I heard ukuthi inenkinga, and le nto is gonna cost me like, oh my, it was 17,000. I was like, yo, ngizothatha u-17 blocks. But I had to make ama-means because I couldn't stand ilokhunja ukuvula umnyango lana ngibona imoto yami ingekho. Oh, it was so like painful and hurtful because I felt like ngidisappoint uMa in a way. While ngimthembisa it's okay, if ever kwenzeka I'm gonna buy a car, even though the car I wanted to buy for her was i-Mini Cooper. and ngihlezi ngibuka i-Clubman ne-Countryman ngisho ngithi one day umsamo wasekhaya uyosivula isandla, uyosivula kanje isandla. Lokhu abakufumbethe bangiphe noma lokhu engikufumbethe bangiphe kona. So ngihlezi nginalelo themba lelo ukuthi one day ngiyoyithenga leya moto lena ngiyi-personalise futhi. Nona igama lakho ma or ama-initials like my mother's initial, my brother's initials lo mdala, my initial nekamfana wasekhaya omncane. So I'll just put like the first letters emagameni ethu. So nginalelo lokhunja nginaso naleso sifiso leso. So uma ngibuya lapho kuyo kuyolungisa imoto, yabona ngathi ngijikelekile because it took like a week ukuthi imoto ize ibuye. So I was strained ngale ndlela. Uma ngifika ngaserobhothini, so kuno-park lane la, kunerobhothi la kuno-stairs. So mina I was going up mina. Mengithi la ngaserobhothini, khona imoto la. So ngidlalela umculo nje and I'm happy ukuthi imoto yami ibuyile. Kube khona umuntu othi sawubona bhuti unjani? Ngiphenduke kanje. Mengithi nhla i-ex yami. Ile ex yami le eyangithomenta yangihetha to a point whereby ngayibalekela like literally ngayibalekela. Whenever ngiyibona nje ngiyacasha. Whenever ngiyibona ngicasha because she gave me the same feeling or the same pain or the same hurt engayithola the day ngibalekela ubaba because nanobaba ngambalekela ngayocasha le emahlathini. I think ngisengasichaza leso story leso. Nobaba ngambalekela nje ngale ndlela le. So nalo ke lona izinto azenza during our relationship zangenza ukuthi ngimbalekele ngale ndlela because to a point whereby ngiyamsaba. So when she greeted me, I was like, okay, ngoba ngisemotweni I'm in a safe space ngeke azeze la ngenkani. I was like, yebo sawubona unjani. So ke one thing you should know about me, if ever ngingafuni ukukhuluma nawe and if ever ngik-avoid, I just lower my tone or my voice. So I was like, yebo unjani. Wathi ngiyaphila konje uba igama lakho. I was like, my name is Minenhle. Yaswisha-ke manje ethi isingisi. Swisha-ke manje. Phela ngaselokishini mina. Yabo ngaselokishini. And yabona uSile kule moto ehamba nawe ehamba nabantu abaningi. So I was like, my name is Minenhle. And then she was like, oh no, the other one. Mina liphi lelo. Uminetho like ngithanda lelo mina. Right kodwa kimina ngiyaphela sesunjani. Nathi ngiyaphila. Yazi inhle imoto yakho. Uthe nje qeda ukusho njalo yavela i-universe yavula i-robot ngahamba. So recently ngimbonile la downtown esefonini ekhuluma lapha echaza and I'm like kaze udlala ngamuphi ugayi kaze kukhalwaphi cause I went through a lot mina because of lwakhe I went through a lot. I went through a lot njengoba ngisho ukuthi wangidlulisa ey'ntweni ey'ningi wangigowishisa to a point whereby ngamsaba ngambalekela nje ngale ndlela. But-ke okuhle emhlabeni ukuthi abantu benza kahle in life. Abantu benza kahle in life. Uyaphila ngambona ukuthi uyaphila. Wonke ama-ex ami mina personally ngiwafisela lokhunja okuhle. Ngiwafisela okuhle nje. Ngiwafisela okuhle. uNkulunkulu abalonde ababusise aze abathele ngamasi ey'nqeni. Babusise aze abathele ngamasi ey'nqeni. Baphile nje njengoba ngiphila nami. Kungabi khona any resentment. Ingakho omunye ngabuyela kuyena. I was like mfethu eFrance, uhlala eFrance. I was like mfethu ngicela ungitshele ukuthi iziphi izinto ezazenzeka in our relationship lezi ongayithandi. And isithe mehlala naye when we had this conversation I was like, yo, kanti umuntu ulimele kanje emotionally, yabo? So yena wayengangitsheli because I am older than her. I think ngimshiya ngo 2 years. I am older than her and ubengithanda kakhulu and bengimthanda nami yabo. Ubengi-obeya because ngaze ngamtshela ngathi next time if ever you come across umuntu omthandayo okuthandayo, if ever ezowenza into ongayithandi, it's always wise to speak up. Usho ukuthi angikuthandi, ungathi phela uwumuntu wesilisa, no, do not do that because abafana bayodlala ngawe, bayodlala ngawe. Njengoba-ke mina ngihlezi ngisho ngithi akukho okubi engiyoke ngikusho mina ngama-ex ami. I would never say bebeyinkinga nani nani, I would never say lokho. I would never say lokho because sisajola kwakumnandi and wonke umuntu was happy. Wonke umuntu was happy. But nje lwake lwangidlulisa ey'ntweni ey'ningi kabi. Hheyi wangidlulisa ey'ntweni ey'ningi kabi to a point whereby I found myself. But-ke ngoba akuqhamuki from a painful place or from a